Now you will go for the next topic, equations reducible to linear equation in two variables. For example, 4 upon x plus 5 upon y is equal to 7. 3 upon x plus 4 upon y is equal to 5. Such type of equations can be solved by reducing them to a linear equation in two variables by substituting the variables to another variables. Now just see, we can write this equation as 4 into 1 upon x plus 5 into 1 upon y is equal to 7. Similarly, this equation 3 into 1 upon x plus 4 into 1 upon y is equal to 5. Now, we will take 1 upon x. Let us take, let 1 upon x is equal to a and 1 upon y is equal to b, and write the above equations. So, first equation becomes 4a plus 5b is equal to 7. This is equation number 1. Second one, 3a plus 4b is equal to 5. This is equation 2. Now observe this equation. The coefficient of a or b have to make it same or equate. So we will equate equation variable a here. To eliminate a, multiply first equation by equation 1 by 3 and equation 2 by 4. So what you will get, see here, first equation by 3 and second equation by 4. So multiply the first equation by 3. So what will get, 4 into 3, 12a plus 4 into 5, 20b is equal to, so first equation by 3, 3 into 4, 12, 5 into 3, 15. Right. We are multiplying first equation with 3 here and second by 4. So first equation with 3, 4 into 3, 12, 5 into 3, 15, b, 7 into 3, 21. This is equation number 3 you can write. And similarly, equation 2 multiply with 4. So 4 into 3, 12a plus 4 into 4, 16b is equal to 4 into 5, 20. This is equation number 4. Now subtract equation 4 from 3. Subtract equation 4 from 3. So first you will write equation 4, 12a plus 16b is equal to 20. This is equation number 4. To eliminate a, multiply equation 1 by 3 and equation 2 by 4. So first equation 1 by 3. So 4 into 3, 12a plus 5 into 3, 15b is equal to 7 into 3, 21. This is equation number, give some name here, it is equation number 3. Now second equation by 4. 4 into 3, 12a plus 4 into 4, 16b is equal to 4 into 5, 20. This is equation number 4. Now subtract equation 4 from 3. So equation 3 you write first, 12a plus 15b is equal to 21. Equation number 3. And equation 4, 12a plus 16b is equal to 20. Equation number 4. So we are going to subtract equation 4 from 3. Signs will change. So this will get cancelled. 15b minus 16b minus 1b or b this side. 21 minus 20, it is 1. Therefore b is equal to 1. In order to get the value of a, put b is equal to 1 in equation minus 1 in equation any one equation you can use otherwise equation 1 you can do equation 1 to get the value of b. So 4a as it is. To get the value of a, just put the value of b is equal to minus 1 in equation 1. So you will get here as 5 into minus 1 is equal to 7. 4a as it is, minus 5 is equal to 7. Transfer this minus 7, that 5 that side. So minus 5 you take that side, so 7 plus 5 will come. So a's value will get, therefore a is equal to 7 plus 5, 12 upon 4. So a is equal to 3. So a's value is 3, b's value is minus 1. Resubstitute for a and b. So a is equal to, you got here 3, b is equal to minus 1. So a in place of a, what will write again? 1 upon x. 1 upon x is equal to 3. Rearrange this one. 1 upon 3 is equal to x. This side 1 upon y is equal to minus 1, or 1 upon minus 1 is equal to y. Therefore x is equal to 1 by 3 and y is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 is the solution of the given equation. Is the solution of the given equation. These two values. Equations reducible to linear equation in two variables. In this second example, I am taking here 5 upon x minus 1 plus 1 upon y minus 2 is equal to second equation 6 upon x minus 1 minus 3 upon y minus 2 is equal to 1. So such type of equations again can be solved by equating these variables denominator form to other variables or changing to other variables. So let us write, let 1 upon x minus 1 is equal to a and 1 upon y minus 2 is equal to b. So above equation we can write this as, first one 5 into 1 upon x minus 1 it is. So 5a plus 1 upon y minus 2 we have taken here b. So b is equal to 2. This equation 1. Similarly other equation 6 into 1 upon x minus 1. So 6a minus 3b is equal to 1. This is equation 2. Now observe both the equations. To eliminate b, why b? Because here it is minus 3 and here it is plus 1 is there. So if you multiply 3 here, first equation with 3, so you can eliminate easily b. So multiply first equation to eliminate b, multiply equation 1 by 3. So write, multiply equation 1 by 3 and write the answer. Now see here, 5 into 3, 15a plus 3b is equal to 3 into 2, 6. Equation number 3. Now observe equation 2 and 3. So add equation 2 and 3. So equation 2 is 6a minus 3b is equal to 1, and equation 3 15a plus 3b is equal to 6. This equation 3. Now we are going to add here both the equations. When we add, this will be eliminated. So 6 plus 15, it is 21a, that side 1 plus 6, 7. So therefore you will get a as 7 upon 21, that is 1 by 3. Now in order to get the value of b, put a is equal to 1 by 3 in equation. So any one equation you can take equation 1 or 2 from this, anyone you can take. So we will take equation here 2, equation 2. So 6a minus 3b is equal to 1. Just in place of a, write there 1 by 3. So when you take 1 by 3 here, 3 and this 6 will get cancelled. So 2 minus 3b is equal to 1. Transfer this to that side. So minus 3b is equal to 1 minus 2. So minus 3b is equal to minus 1. So therefore b is equal to 1 upon 3. Both sides negative, it become positive. Minus minus plus it will become. So b's value is 1 by 3. Now resubstitute for a and b. Resubstitute for a and b. For a and b. So what is a is here? A is equal to 1 by 3 we got here, and also b is equal to 1 by 3. So we will solve this. A's value, what you have taken at the beginning? 1 upon x minus 1 is equal to 1 by 3. So just compare this denominators. You will get here x minus 1 is equal to 3. So x is equal to 3 plus 1. X is equal to 4. Similarly this side, b's value 1 upon y minus 2 is equal to 1 by 3. Just two numerators are same, compare denominators. So y minus 2 is equal to 3. So y is equal to 3 plus 2, y is equal to 5. Therefore x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 5 is the solution of the given equation. So like this you can solve this type of questions by changing the variables to another variables, or fraction form you can convert into one variable and you can solve further. Now we will go for the exercise. After solving two examples, let us solve exercise 1.4. From this I will take two examples, that is example number 3 means question number 3 and 4 I am going to solve. So first we will start with the question number 3 here. 27 upon x minus 2 plus 31 upon y plus 3 is equal to 85. Then 31 upon x minus 2 plus 27 upon y plus 3 is equal to 89. Now this same type question it's again. So let us take, let 1 upon x minus 2 is equal to a and 1 upon y plus 3 is equal to b. So rewrite the above equations. 27a plus 31b is equal to 87, equation number 1. Other equation or 31a plus 27b is equal to 89. This is equation number 2. Now observe these equations. You just see that on first alternate numbers are same. So you can use here alternate method, means coefficient of a here is 27 and b it is in the second equation 27, 31 and 31. So in this case you can easily solve by this equation alternate method. Now just add, once you will add equation 1 and 2. So add it, 27a plus 31b is equal to 85, equation 1. 31a plus 27b is equal to 89. Just add these two equations. After adding, what you will get here? 27 plus 31, 58a plus 58b is equal to 174. Now in order to bring the in simplest form, divide throughout this equation by dividing throughout by dividing throughout by 58. So what will get here? Divide this each term by 58. So a plus b is equal to 174 divided by 58. You will get here 3. So this is equation number 4. Similarly, subtract equation 1 from 2. Subtract equation 1 from 2. So we write second equation first. Below that, first equation. Now we are going to subtract, means all signs are changing here. Second term signs are changing. So 31a minus 27a becomes 4a. Similarly 27 minus 31, it is minus 4b is equal to 89 minus 85, it is 4. Again dividing by 4. Above equation divided by 4. What will get here? A minus b is equal to 1. Equation number you can take here 4 it is. So earlier equation it is, you can mark here 3. So this is equation 3, equation 4. Now to eliminate b, add equation 3 and 4. To eliminate b, add equation 3 and 4. So a plus b is equal to 3, equation number 3. A minus b is equal to 1, equation number 4. So just cancel this b. A plus a, 2a is equal to 4. So a is equal to 4 by 2, that is 2. Now similarly you have to get the value of b. So put a is equal to 2 in equation, any one equation, either 3 or 4. So we'll put in 3, equation 3. So a plus b is equal to 3. So in place of a, what will write here? 2. 2 plus b is equal to 3. So b is equal to 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. So value of b you got here 1, a value is 2. So reset it for a and b. For a and b. So a is equal to 2. So what you have taken at the beginning? A is here. So 1 upon x minus 2 is equal to 2. So just transfer this one. 2 into x minus 2. Just put the value of a as 1 upon x minus 2 is equal to 2. So 1 is equal to 2 in bracket x minus 2. Just transfer this one. That's it. So we get it 2 into x minus 2. Now expand this bracket. 1 is equal to 2 into x, 2x, minus 2 into 2, 4. Now bring this minus 4 this side. So 1 plus 4 is equal to 2x. So 1 plus 4, 5. 5 is equal to 2x. Therefore, x is equal to, value of x is equal to 5 upon 2. 5 by 2. Now similarly we can find the value of b. So b, find the value of b is equal to, you got here 1. Now b is equal to, what you have taken at the beginnings here, b is equal to 1 upon y plus 3. So in place of b, write there 1 upon y plus 3 is equal to 1. Now transfer this y plus 3 that side. So 1 into any number, same number, so y plus 3. Now bring this 3 this side. 1 minus 3 is equal to y. So 1 minus 3 is the minus 2 is equal to y. Therefore y is equal to minus 2. So at last, hence x is equal to 5 by 2 and y is equal to minus 2 is the solution of the given equation. Now we look for the next question, that is question number 4 of exercise 1.4. So 1 upon 3x plus y plus 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to 3 by 4. This is first equation. Second, 1 upon 2 in bracket 3x plus y minus 1 upon 2 in bracket 3x minus y is equal to minus 1 upon 8. Now just observe 1 upon 3x minus plus y and 1 upon 3x minus y is same equations are this, same fractions are there in both the equations. So now you take, let 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to m. You can take any variable, and 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to n, and rewrite the above equations. First equation here, 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to m. So m plus n was 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to n, we have taken, is equal to 3 by 4, and other one 1 upon 2 m minus 1 upon 2 n is equal to minus 1 upon 8. Now just see the denominator here 4 is there, here 2 is there. So in order to remove this denominators, first take this equation you multiply with multiply by 4. So what will you get here? 4m plus 4n is equal to 3. Now we will mark this as equation 1. Now similarly that side, now here 2 is there, here 2 is there, here 8 is there. So 8 is a bigger one. So multiply by 8. When you multiply this 1 by 2 by 8, you will get answer 4m, because 8 divided by 2 4, minus same way 1 by 2 into 8, that is 4n is equal to minus 1 upon 8 into 8, that is equal to minus 1. This is equation number 2. Now observe these two equations, equation 1 and 2. So if you if you can easily eliminate here n here. So to eliminate n, add equation 1 and 2. So 4m plus 4n is equal to 3, equation number 1. 4m minus 4n is equal to minus 1, equation number 2. We are going to add this. So this will get cancelled. 4m plus 4m, 8m. That side 3 minus 1, 2. So m is equal to 2 upon 8, that is 1 by 4. m's value got 1 by 4. Now in order to get the value of n, just put m is equal to 1 by 4 in equation. Which one you want? You can put it. You can put in equation 1 also or 2 also. So you will put your equation 1. It is easy to solve, that's why. So 4m plus 4n is equal to 3. In place of m, write 1 by 4. So 4 into 1 by 4 plus 4n is equal to 3. 4 will get cancelled here. 1 plus 4n is equal to 3. Now transfer this 3 this side. So you will get here 1 minus 3 is equal to 4n. So 1 minus 3 minus 2 is equal to 4n. Minus 2 upon 4 is equal to n. Therefore n is equal to minus 1 by 2. 1 plus 4n is equal to 3. Now this 1 you transfer that side. So you will get here 4n is equal to 3 minus 1. 4n is equal to 3 minus 1, 2. So n is equal to 2 upon 4. Therefore n is equal to 1 by 2. Now you got the value of m and n. So you have to resubstitute for m and n again. Now resubstitute for m and n. So m is equal to, you got answer, m is equal to 1 by 4 and n is equal to 1 by 2. So what we had taken at the beginning, so value of m, it was 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to 1 upon 4 and 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to 1 by 2. Now just see there, the numerators are same both the cases, so directly compare denominator. So you will get here 3x plus y is equal to 4. This is equation number you give here as 3, and 3x minus y is equal to 2, equation number 4. Again you have to solve 3 and 4 equation to get the value of x and y. So to eliminate y, add equation 3 and 4. So 3x plus y is equal to 4, equation number 3, and 3x minus y is equal to 2, equation number 4. We are going to add this. So this will get cancelled. 3x plus 3x, 6x, that side 4 plus 2, 6. So value of x is 6 upon 6, it is 1. Now in order to get the value of y, put x is equal to 1 in equation Any one equation you can take from these two. So which one you want to take? Third one you can take. Equation 3. Any one you can take. Third or fourth. So 3x plus y is equal to 4. So 3 into 1 plus y is equal to 4. 3 plus y is equal to 4. Let's transfer this 3 that side. So y is equal to 4 minus 3. Y is equal to 1. Therefore, x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1 is the solution of the given equation. Now, similarly, already have given third and fourth question of exercise 1.4. So, first and second it is easy, you can solve yourself. If you want to check your answer in the solved question, what are the values you got here for x and y, you can substitute in equation either in equation 1, this one or this one. You just check whether it is eligible to RHS or not. You can confirm, you can check your answer from there.